Spider plant is an easy to grow, very common house plant. In this video we will see how you can grow and care for spider plant and get maximum growth. So let's start, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Spider plant is native to Southern Africa. It's grown as a common indoor plant. It purifies the air and acts as a decorative plant. It grows really well in a moderate temperature. In a normal range temperature like springs environment is very ideal for the fast and healthy growth of spider plants. It not only grows leaves but also produces such type of plantlets that will become an individual plant in the future. The growing season of spider plant starts in the early springs and goes on all summers. The best growth happens in the springs and rainy days as the temperature gets moderate. In winters, spider plant feels a little stressed due to decreasing temperature. It stops growing, but spider plant is originally a perennial plant that survives for years. Just keep it under a shade and move it indoors for winters. Another key thing in spider plant care guide is its soil media. Spider plant is a hardy and low maintenance plant, need nothing much. Any good soil media can work well. Ideally, a hard and compact mixture is hated by spider plants. Otherwise, any well draining and soft mixture can be used. You can even make one at home, just follow the description box video. If your soil media is drying out time to time, this is a good sign. Spider plants have some tubers and they will rot if your soil gets waterlogged. So just make sure of drainage holes and water only when needed. Another important thing in spider plant care guide is an ideal spot. If you keep your spider plants in an ideal spot, they will grow fast and healthy. More plantlets will grow, less problems will appear. So ideally, spider plant is an indoor plant, likes lesser light than other plants. In direct sunlight, their leaves starts burning and drying, while in a bright shade, very fast growth happens. New leaves grow and plant feels like home. Indirect or filtered sunlight can work well, but not the direct sunlight. So just keep it near a window or under a shade of a big plant, not in the sunlight. One key thing in spider plants' healthy and fast growth is the correct watering. In a good soil media, a little bit of overwatering won't harm, but if you keep on adding too much moisture, this eventually affects the plant growth. Spider plant also stores moisture inside of its tubers. That is why we don't need to add water again and again. Watering twice a week is fine, or whenever the soil gets dry. Frequent watering helps in better growth, so do that and subscribe to our channel. One important thing in spider plant care tips is the fertilizing. A good fertilizer once a month is all it needs. You can use cow dung or maybe kitchen waste compost, but mixing cow dung and compost with some rock phosphate makes a very balanced and useful fertilizer for indoor plants. You can also buy them from the description below. Use it once a month on your spider plant and you won't have to use anything else. Another fertilizer that works really well on spider plant is the cow dung's liquid fertilizer. It's up to you, whatever is available easily. For making cow dung liquid fertilizer at home, you can follow the description box video. Spider plant is a hardy plant, doesn't have as such many problems. Browning of tips are common on spider plants. It happens due to several reasons. One common reason is the nutrients shortage. So use a good fertilizer. To learn more about the brown tips of spider plant, you can follow the description box link. Root rot can appear due to a waterlogged mixture, so take care of that. Mealybugs can also attack on a weak spider plant, so be careful. Use Neem Oil spray for that. Here is a detailed video on Neem Oil. Feel free to follow and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.